Hey, it's Aquila Mariyah here, and today I'm going to be discussing what I personally do for self-care. This is another video in the self-care series.
I like to sit back and watch a tree grow. I like the way they think it's all growth, not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these.
If you're new to my channel, my name is Aquila Mariyah, and I'm a mindset coach. I feel it's extremely important for us to shift our mindset from a negative one to a more positive one. So what I personally do for self-care is wash and do my hair. I will do a facial, I meditate, I say some loving affirmations, I'll journal, go for a walk, do some type of physical activity, and I will smile at myself in the mirror, and I put on a cute outfit. I practice self-care every single day, and I know I've said this plenty of times before, but self-care is extremely important and it should be done daily, not just when you want to feel better. When you want to feel better, that's when you put in a little bit more. For meditation, my favorite thing to do is the Ramada meditation. And that is when I listen to the Ramada song. I listen to that because I will do some Reiki on myself while I am doing that. And that is just going to help me feel good on the inside because I'm naturally healing myself with my hands. I also do some mindful breathing as well. I'll do it throughout my day, anytime I feel like my patience are being tested, or if my alarm went off in my phone, because I do have an alarm set to where I just sit, relax, and breathe, because sometimes you may forget to breathe just because we're so used to doing it. You may just forget sometimes. I know I do. It's like not to where I'm gonna like pass out, but I forget to focus on my breath and appreciate the fact that I am still breathing. So some ways that I do some physical activity is going for a walk or a hike, doing some yoga, doing a glute workout because I love to work out my glutes, and then stretching as well. It feels so good to stretch. Again, these are a few things that I do daily. I do my hair for self-care, and when I do that, that's me washing or moisturizing it and doing some type of cute hairstyle on it. So when I put on a cute outfit, sometimes I'll go to the store or go for a walk in my cute outfit. Usually it's going to be the store because I already need to like run errands, and it's just a good time to put on a cute outfit. Instead of wearing sweats to the grocery store, I'm going to wear my, I don't know if you've seen it, but I have this like tight turtleneck, but like a loose turtleneck type of dress, and it's such a cute color. It's maroon, and I feel so good when I wear it, and so I'll put on either that or some other cute outfit. I do journal daily every morning, literally before I even like clean the crust out of my eyes. I journal, and the times where it's more of a self-care is when I'm feeling overwhelmed with emotions, and so I will just sit down in silence with my journal and just jot down how I'm feeling and try to understand how it is that I'm feeling and why I'm feeling this way. My favorite way to do a facial is to either get the bentonite clay and add apple cider vinegar to it and mix it up and just put that on my face and my neck. And then another one that I love to do is when I just get my face cleanser and use some coffee grounds too that I have already previously used. That one, the coffee ground one, oh my god, it makes my face like so smooth after. It feels so good. It's such a good time. Highly recommend. The coffee grounds just give it to where it can exfoliate your skin and just get rid of the dead skin that's layered on. Another way that I practice self-care is cleaning. I love cleaning my room. My room is my office, as you can see, and my room. So I'm grateful that I can just simply clean my room and feel like I'm in a whole new space. Just put everything back to their designated areas. And I also love like cleaning the kitchen, and you know, if you start washing dishes, you just start cleaning the counters, and then you start sweeping, and next thing you know, you're scrubbing cabinets. So it's just a good time to just release some energy. It can also be a form of active meditation. Smiling is a good time, because if you just look at yourself in the mirror and smile, you're just like, you just feel good. I don't know how to explain it, but I just feel so good when I look at myself in the mirror and I smile. And so when I look in the mirror and smile, I will literally look at every single part of my face and appreciate every part of my face, because sometimes you'll like break it down and be like, oh, I don't like that, and oh, I don't like that, or oh, I got a pimple right there. It's like, instead of doing that, replace it with, oh my gosh, I have a beautiful smile, my teeth are pretty much straight, my eyes are really nice. Like, you know, you just start breaking down the positive things that you like seeing in yourself, and it just feels so good. So definitely try it out. Let me know in the comments below what it is that you do for self-care. I'm really interested in either seeing if you do things that are similar to me or seeing if there's anything that I would like to try out. So comment down below your favorite form of self-care. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so that we'd be notified every time I upload a video. I've been doing my best to upload every single day, so I hope that you have noticed. And if you haven't, I hope that you've made time to check out the videos. I hope you have a positive, blissful day or night whenever you're watching this. Thank you so much for your support. Always remember to be love, be peace, spread love everywhere you go, and always be you. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Not an ego. I wish that you could speak to these motherfuckers.